Hey, this will be a video chart on DGRI. Did this one a few days ago. I think right around this day here before the bounce came, and now it's did make a great bounce and has since pulled back. So I've had some questions on it. The chart really hasn't changed much since the last time I did it, besides the fact that it's just kind of reinforced the fact that I pointed out last time that the main resistance is the 200-day simple moving average, and that the main support is down here at this green line. This green line, I didn't add it. This was added during the last video, so you can go back and watch the previous video and you'll see where I added this in. Just a good job of showing how you can use previous highs to forecast where future levels of support may be. So what I want to do is just real quick kind of go over the pattern that, like I said at the beginning of the video, has kind of become more evident, and just kind of map out what we want to see from the charting perspective. So really, if you kind of put on your imagination caps, what we have taken shape here is kind of a bull pennant, bull flag pattern. So if we just picture this here as the bull flag, or as the flag pole, and then if we use the 200-day, this orange line, as a top portion, so let's just extend that out, going down something like that. And if we use these previous highs as the continued support, so just extend that out, what we then have is, we'll see if this works or not. So let's just use a pink now and then connect it. We have basically a real crude pattern of the bull flag. So I'm sure some chartists would just be disgusted at the way I just kind of drew that, but the pattern doesn't have to be exact. The important thing is that the price action and how it's behaving. And right now the way it's behaving is it gets up near this resistance, this orange line, and keeps getting knocked down by it. So very clear level of resistance. However, when it does pull back, this area right here at 0.001817 is clearly a level of support. And then on top of that, when you add that the 50-day simple moving average is also right there acting as support at 0.0016, it really drives home the fact that this level is a key area of support. So in a nutshell, you don't want to see this 0.0018 area fail as support, and the 200-day simple moving average up here valued at 0.0044 is the key level of resistance that you do want to see the price break through. So pretty cut and dry right now. As long as this level of support holds, then the chart's going to remain in the bulls' favor. But it's very crucial that this level of support continues to hold like it's been doing, and then the sooner the bulls can start to get some closes above here. Obviously, they've broken above the moving average up here multiple times, but we care about where the closes are at. So there's got to be some closes up here, and if and when that happens, that should start the chart off onto a whole new bullish upwards movement. So one step at a time, though. It'll be interesting to see though how this flag pattern plays out over tomorrow and then next week. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety of something for everybody. It is all free. We're making some good money on our alerts, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was DGRI. Thanks for listening.